PHP version for PHP myadmin. So for that we'll do one thing, we'll visit the PHP myadmin page once, so that we can see what is the version of that, what is the current version that it is using. So we'll do one thing, we'll use the Firefox to browse the PHP myadmin version. So here you can see what is the version currently that we running. So PHP version 5.2.4. So basically PHP version 5.2 to 5.4 is vulnerable to remote code injection. So and even if you want to, you can check what are the vulnerabilities related to PHP version 5.2 in CVE database or NVD databases. So here what we'll try to do is we'll launch the Metasploit console and we'll try to execute the remote code execute vulnerability. For that we'll use exploit called auxiliary. So use the exploit multi and which is a HTTP one. If we press a tab, it will show what are the vulnerabilities that we can exploit. So these many vulnerabilities that are there. For that, what we'll do, we'll choose HTTP and what is PHP, and this is the vulnerability that this is the exploit that we are going to use. So for this we need to check what are the arguments that is required. For that, as previously we used the command called show option. Here we need to mention what are the parameters that we need to enter. So here our host is mandatory and which is not to mention. So we'll set our host by using the command set our host, and the IP address is 192.168.1.5, and start the exploit. Here you can see we got this shell, interpreter shell, and we'll check where we have been where we are in by using the pw command. So here we are in /www folder. So we'll check what are the things that are there, and even for further exploiting, post exploiting, we can even deploy any shell over here, and you can keep the connectivity, yeah, other than the 22 port. So countermeasure for this is use always recommended to use updated web servers and updated operating system, and follow the proper hardening steps for all the operating system and even the web servers that are there, that